Roadside?
Yes, Leonard.
Yes, that's me.
How's it going? Nice to
Good.
meet you.
Thanks for coming up here. You came down from Inglewood, huh? Or up from
Yes,
Inglewood.
yes.
How was the drive? Yeah, I was gonna say they call it icon. Perfect. All right.
Okay. How's this gonna work?
Yeah, we have the car on for the hazards, whatever. I guess that's all right?
Yeah, if it drains it, I'll give you a jump.
Yeah.
No problem. The what?
Yeah, don't they have to go lock to these cars and lug nuts? Locks on the lug nuts?
Anti-theft lug nut? Yeah. This one doesn't. It seems like it doesn't.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Never really,
We'll get there right now.
Hello? Say what? Really? Oh, it's because probably because you jacked it up. He jacked it up. Maybe that turns off the motor. I will. I haven't fixed it. We'll find out.
You want to chop it now?
Yeah, my wife was concerned that that car's tires were sitting there for 5 years and it wasn't.
This tire here?
No, the one that you put on.
This-
Yeah. I think we're gonna go do tires. That's my wife's calling top paper.
Replace the whole thing now.
Yeah, yeah. There's the wheel. I mean the.
They look like the rims okay.
Yeah, the rims are good.
They'll let you know though. It looks okay.
Hello.
Reject.
we'll be good to go.
Yes.
All right, other than the
It turned back on?
yeah, the car's on there.
Oh, okay, it worked? Okay, that sounds good.
Good. All right, I appreciate that.
Thanks so much, mister. Take care.
Yeah, you too. I appreciate
God bless you.
coming out.
God bless you. Do you need the tire size?
Yeah, it's on the side there. You got the light up.
Let's check this side
Yeah, it's better.
because that's the spare tire. This is a 235 slash 45 R18.
I was in 18. 235.
That's the tire size.
Oh, yeah. So,
235.
yeah,
See that there?
yeah.
R18 94V.
All
Would you want to take a picture of this?
I got it there.
You got it?
Yeah, just be his own. It is 18. It is at 18. Yeah, that's what I wasn't sure about. All right.
Yep.
Yeah, because I got that by just that was an 18. Yeah.
Oh.
All right, and I said 90 points I get the speed ready.
Yeah. Yep.
That's we're both doing that tonight. Yeah. All right, perfect.
All right. Thank you,
All
mister.
right, great.
Have a good night.
Thank you, Alejandro.
Thank you, man.